data source dot, what is there? Username system. Spring dot data source dot password tiger. Spring dot. Acha, this is MySQL now. What is there? Root. Other one is root. Spring dot data source dot UR. JDBC colon Aracle colon in not JDBC colon, guys, sorry. JDBC colon MySQL colon 3 slashes. What's your batch code, guys? Okay. NTSPBMS SPBMS 515DB. That is some logical name, guys. Okay, tell me now. Hibernate JPA properties. Properties, guys. Hibernate JPA properties. Tell me, what are these properties? Hibernate JPA properties, boss. Spring dot Spring dot JPA dot database platform. ORG dot dialect hibernate dot dialect dot, what is there? Aracle dialect. ORG dot JPA dot, come on. DDL auto. Okay, DDL auto update. Dialect dot, what dialect, guys? MySQL dialect. Spring dot JPA dot show underscore SQL true, guys. Yeah, we have written these properties also now, my dear. Come on, everyone. Definitely. We have written these properties also. That's good. Yeah, we have to wind up this application today itself, guys. Yeah. Processor. I need to develop my own processor, guys. Let me develop my own processor. And when reader reads it, what's the condition? If salary is greater than 5,000, then I have to calculate gross salary and net salary. Otherwise, don't calculate. At the same time, don't write to database also. Don't write to database also. Employee item processor. Say next, say finish. What is the input, guys? I'm going to get employee object. What is the output, guys? Employee object. Add implemented. So we are doing in process 2 now. So bad, so sad, guys. So sad, so sad. Can we say Control Z? Okay, let it be. Here is what? New pack class com.nt.processor. Okay. com.nt.processor. Employee item processor, right? Employee item processor. Public class employee item processor implements item processor. Yeah. What is their employee? What is other one? At the rate component. At the rate component. This is my input, guys. Now tell me if item dot, yeah, getter setter methods are not added up. Yeah, at the rate date. Item dot get salary greater than 5. Item dot get salary greater than 5,000 or 5 lakhs. Okay. Less than 15K because generated CV initial. Okay, okay, fine. That's good. Good observation. I think there I have taken what? 10,000 minimum, it seems. Greater than 15,000. Then what I want? Item dot set gross salary. Item dot get salary plus item dot get salary into what, guys? 30%. Item dot get salary plus okay, I will make it 40% of this one. Next. Item dot set net salary, guys. Set net salary. Come on. Item dot item dot item dot get gross salary minus gross salary minus. What is this? Item dot gross salary minus item dot gross salary into 0.2. Yeah. 20%, guys. What is there? 0.2. That's good. We are ready with this story, or there, guys? Come on, everyone, getting my point. Return item. Otherwise, return null. Otherwise, we are saying return null, nothing. Go to batch config class, guys. Go to batch config class. Inject writer processor. Reader is predefined. Writer is predefined, right? Private employee item processor. Item processor. Okay, now focus. At the rate auto. That's good. Yeah, tell me. Public. We have a reference code. Now, there's no wrong in that. In batch config, you observe the way I created a reader, guys. Flat file item reader create reader. We have a direct builder class, guys. We have a builder. Flat file item reader builder, name logical name, resource from which location you want to gather it, that location. Class path resource means it look in search. It will search in all the folders of class path. Delimited, that means comma should be used. When tokens are coming, what is the logical names you want to give? Those logical names give. Target type. Okay, one those records should be saved into which place? Employee object dot build. And indirectly we are giving every information. Source file you are giving, line mapper and delimited you are giving, comma separated value should be taken. We are giving name to those tokens, guys. That's good. But from CSV file I am talking about. And once they are coming, where you want to store employee class object, and lastly build. Simply lastly build are not there. Public flat file, what is there? Item reader, flat file item reader. Here is my what, guys? Flat file item reader, flat file item reader. Here is my create reader. Okay. Flat file item reader employee create reader was. That's good. At the rate bean name is equal to reader. Right now you have to everyone should concentrate this. Return new flat file item reader employee item reader builder. Item reader builder. Check it out. Item reader builder employee dot logical name. Method chaining, guys, purely method chaining. Flat file item reader builder, these many brackets are not required, guys. Control plus O. You keep the bracket here. Dot name, logical name. Okay, file reader. What is that? File reader. That's the logical name, guys. Followed by that, what is the next one? Okay. Yeah. Right now, name, guys. Next one, dot. What is that? Dot source. What's the method we got, guys? All method chaining methods only. Dot resource. Dot resource. Now tell me. New class path resource. New class path resource. Tell me, guys, here, what is the one we have to go for? New class path resource. I think I have to copy that file now from downloads folder. Employee details dot CSV. I can keep in any class path folder, guys. I can keep that one in any class path folder, say paste. Employee details dot CS. Dot CSV, employee details dot CS. Okay. Dot delimited. Dot target dot names Logical names, guys. ENO, E-name, what is that? EADD, email, what is that? Salary. From source only salary coming. Dot target employee dot class dot build. Okay. And a lot of method chaining is taking place here or not there? Did you realize lot of method chaining? That's a logical name, resource, class path, resource. All this stuff is taking place nicely or not? Similarly, I need to prepare writer also, boss. I need to prepare the writer. Public repository item writer. Repository item writer, employee. What do you want to write? Employee. Create writer. At the rate bean writer, guys. Okay. Sir, class path resource file name. Employee detail, EMP details. So that's good. Okay, right. Writer. Here also one builder is there, guys. No, we have builders. Builder makes life easy, guys, through method chaining. Return new repository. Repository. Tell me. Item right. Repository. Item writer builder. Item writer builder. Dot. Repository item writer builder, right? Control plus shift plus O. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's good. Repository item writer builder dot. Your name is not there, guys. See the reference code? Here we have to mention what? You have to mention a repo. Repository, this one repo, nothing but we have to inject repository object, you have to mention that. Method name save dot build. Method name save dot build. Array repository object I am creating and I am presenting. Okay, let's see. Private, private I employee repository. EMP repo. There at the rate auto. There what guys at the rate auto. That's good. Now say check it out. New repository item writer. Sorry, it's my mistake. Writer. New repository item writer dot repository employee repo dot method name save. What is the method that should be used? Dot build. Dot build. Control plus shift plus one. We are ready with writer now, boss. And which repository you want to use for writing, which method you want to call and build the thing. Step one. Everything same, guys. Here we don't have reader object, but we have a method giving reader object. Create reader. What is there? Create reader. Why error is coming? Why error is coming? Reader is reader anywhere now. Reader is reader anywhere. Okay, why error is coming? Change entity, create reader, item reader, extends string. Yeah, I tell. I'll tell. What is the problem? Yeah, in chunk size, written, what is input type? Employee. What is the output type? Employee. Create reader, processor. Okay, already we injected. And here, what is there? Create writer. Create writer, build. Are you getting my point? It's, see, here, input and output, all this stuff. See, the way we are creating readers and writers is quite easy now, boss. Builder is making life easy or not there. Job object creation, no change, guys. Job object creation, no change. Okay. Now you observe, guys, one new table will be created in MySQL with the name batch underscore employee, and all eligible records will be copied to what? CSV file to the table. And when this is happening, guys, come on. Okay, all the information will be recorded in what? Job repository. They are also nothing but tables created in MySQL. They are also nothing but tables created in MySQL. Go to properties file. I need not to take runner separately if I take root this one. Enable batch processing is optional in 3.x. Enable batch processing is optional in 3.x, not required, not even optional, not required. If you place it, will be problem. And if I keep that one true, guys, if I keep this one true, now let's run the application, run as Java application. See, guys, things are happening. It is inserting huge number of records. Okay, let me open MySQL. Right now, I have taken 1,000 POS. I can take a CSV file of any size. I can take CSV file of any size or non, guys. Yeah, what's our batch code? 515 DB. See, say tables. See, lot of repository tables have come, but this is our table. Select rows. So many records have come or not, guys. From where they came, guys? From where these records came? From CSV file they came, na? From CSV file they came. But how come 1,000 records came, Rabab? 1,000 records means nothing is filtered up, but everything salary is bigger number, right? For everything salary is bigger number. 1 minute, I'll do one thing. Delete rows. For everything salary is bigger number. Apply. Okay. CSV to database we are transferring. That's why you are checking in database. CSV file is already generated now. Okay. That's good. Now what I do is I'll make sure that minimum 50,000 is there. Minimum 50,000 is there here. Right click, run as Java application. Let's see this, guys. Say finish, my dear. Say refresh. Yeah, this is happened or not? Yes. Still 1,000 records. Arre? No, everyone is having above 50,000 only. Are we filtering records properly, guys? Are we filtering records properly? All people are having above 50,000 salary. 4,48,000. Acha, okay, got it, got it. Now, boss, all big numbers are there. 7 lakh. Okay, understood. I understood, guys. I kept 5 lakhs. So let's stop the application. It is feeling applications. Review SQL query applied on the database. What happened to it? No query is applied. No condition is applied now. I think now I have taken 5 lakhs, guys. Definitely, it might be really suppressing some records. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, now you feel it is as CTC. Now you feel it is as CTC. Okay. Satisfying this, I think this time no many records have not come, just 189 records have come. That means I'm reading from one source CSV file, processing them, above 5 lakh records only I'm getting, and writing to destination. My basic principle of batch processing is taking place or not. The basic principle of batch processing is taking place here or not, guys. Come on, everyone. Tell me. It's happening or not happening? Definitely happening, no doubt. That's great. Arey, now I'm just taking thousand now. Arey, you have to take 100 crore records, 2 crore records. Think about that situation. Think about that situation. That will be very great, interesting, guys. The processor data is saved into my SQL. Yes, boss. Right? I think you enjoyed this session. Yeah. Tomorrow when we meet. Successful full methods are taking care of data loading. It's really simplified. Yes, that's what I'm trying. But really not recommended to expose model class outside the application. How to deal with that? There's no wrong of exposing model class, Shankar. There's no wrong of exposing model class. If you don't want to expose entity class, take separate VO class. And moreover, where we are exposing outside, we are not exposing outside. Everything is happening inside. Think about doing this work by without using batch processing. It used to be big headache, guys. Kiran, your experience will not be treated as IT industry experience. Gina, though you have 1 crore record, you have to decide batch size carefully. Batch size 5,000. From 1 crore, each time 5,000 will be collected, processed, and written. Collected, processed, and written, guys. Collected, processed, and written, right? Collected and processed and written. Yeah, that's great.